the sister-in-law of Jocelyn, Teresita Morales, their other one sister.
Dugo kung dugo. Humangka ka. Bakit ka humangka?
From grade 3 to grade 4 ay Kulingon Barangay Elementary School. Then I proceed to Surigao Pilot School for grade 5 and 6. Until I continue my schooling, even though napakalisod because we are here, my parents here, and my father working as auditor for in provincial auditor's office. So, tapos because of our relatives here na inintintayan din ng kuya, magkarian kami.